This is a quick video of comparing the Glock KSC or KWA G34 with the real Glock G35. G35 is 40 caliber Glock. The 34 is supposed to be 9mm. So first with the Airsoft magazine, weights about the same as the real Glock magazine. Heaviness, Airsoft is a little bit heavier, and that's with no BBs or gas. And this is fully loaded Glock magazine. Next up is the Airsoft one. Don't have the trigger safety that the Glock has. This is the Glock original light. You can put it on the Airsoft one with no problem. Works the same way. It's a little hard to remove it after you put it in, but you can put it in. Now to the standard slide. Looks the same as the original Glock standard slide, and magazine release looks pretty much the same also. To take it apart, just pull those two tabs and push forward. It comes out. This is plastic. Spring is really fragile spring, and the barrel is plastic. On the other hand, the Glock sure is empty. To take it apart, you have to press the trigger, pull the two tabs down at the same time as pulling back on the slide, then forward. Comes out. Metal slide, stiff spring, barrel, and when you compare both of them, pretty much the same size. Sights are upgraded my Glock sights to these new ones, two different colors called speed sights. This is the original Glock sights with the adjustment on the back. Put it apart, put it back together is the same thing. Back in. Original Glock 35 fully caliber. This is the Airsoft one. Way easier to put together than the metal slide, plastic. I'm gonna upgrade this to metal the coming weeks, and when I do, I'm gonna post another video with the metal slide and a new spring, and that's pretty much it. The Glock, I put a mag weld to it. It's pretty much the same thickness. Much the same on the back. It's pretty much everything is pretty much the same. The weight is the difference. This is way heavier, especially when you put the magazine on it. and the Glock Light. Now this is way heavier.